our international president, training committee chairman. In this year, our international president Gampa Nageswara Rao has appointed me as training committee chairman for the year 2015. As a first mark of our year, a new program has been introduced in this year, COTS, Club Officers Training Seminar, wherein our international directors and above all officers went to clubs and collected 1010 forms, 1006 forms, fees and photos of President, Secretary and Treasurer. This was a very unique program and it was done, and I specially thank all IEC officers for supporting the district governors. And the OBTS, Office Bearer Training Seminar, is a very prestigious program. I am very fortunate. I was one of the faculty where in the first OBTS was conducted in Hyderabad at Emerald Hotel, where our Visam Shetty Ayodhyaramulu Garu was governor at that time. And one more feather in the cap in training, in 1998, first time in the Vasavi Club's history, program has been designed to develop leaders in our organization, that is VALT, Vasavi Academy of Leadership Training. It is a very unique program. Now our membership is 54,000. We have completed 157 vaults. That means if one vault there are 100 participants, nearly 16,000 members of our organization has completed the vault. So 1/3 members of our organization are Voltarians. Nearly 1/3 of the members are Voltarians. I am very fortunate to be the trainer in the first vault which has been conducted along with Gampa Nageswara Rao and Soma Mahesh, and this was the first vault which was conducted in Vemulavada, Aryavaishya, Nityana Satram. And the program is still continuing. Every year new leaders have been produced by that program. And the next program is WinTech, where is international executive officers are trained. And one more new program has been introduced this time. International program coordinators are called to Hyderabad and they were trained. What are their duties? They were trained for one full day. So that the main principles of our organization, fellowship, leadership, service, the leadership only comes through training. That what we believe in Vasavi Club International. Train the Trainers program was first time conducted in 2008, where our international president Yada Nageswara Rao was president of the year. And I am fortunate I was also one of the trainer in that program. And every year governors and deputy governors, cabinet secretaries and treasurers are trained in a program called GATE and DGTS. This is also a very prestigious training program of our organization. Before taking any post, before starting their tenure, they are trained what they have to do. As the training committee chairman, we have conducted nearly 10 vaults. And already we are planning to conduct a new program for empowerment of youth, a new program where the Vasavi youth can establish some new businesses like industries, trainings. It is to be conducted in Erode. And this year also the Train the Trainers program is being conducted in Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Madras and Visakhapatnam. One more new training program has been introduced, ZEM, the Zone Chairman Empowerment Program, and this is one more program in this year, ZEM, Zone Chairman Empower meeting has been conducted in this year. నేషనల్లో ముఖ్యమైన 3 సిద్ధాంతాలలో ఫెలోషిప్, లీడర్షిప్, సర్వీస్లో భాగంగా నాయకత్వం పెరగాలంటే వ్యక్తి నిర్మాణం జరగాలి. వ్యక్తి నిర్మాణం జరిగితేనే సమాజ నిర్మాణం జరుగుతుందని నమ్మకం ఉన్న సంస్థ మన వాసవి క్లబ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్. ఈ వ్యక్తి నిర్మాణంలో భాగంగా అనేక వ్యక్తి వికాస కార్యక్రమాలు వాసవి క్లబ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ చేపట్టింది. దీంట్లో మొట్టమొదటిగా గర్వంగా చెప్పుకోవాలంటే వాల్ట్ అనే ప్రోగ్రాం మన వాసవి క్లబ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్లో చాలా